Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this BMW 5 Series from any screen just at the moment. Hopefully it'll come off that reverse camera. Click on nav, click across again, and you've got destination input at the top. Scroll up using the iDrive to destination input, click, and then we want the postcode. It's actually already got our postcode in, but I'll put it in again. So the chap came from the other end of the country to buy a car off us. I think it was either Portsmouth or Plymouth he came from. So here we go. So our postcode PR, then you have to turn around here till we get to the numbers and symbols. Click that. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley Preston, PR5 4. Back to letters, J S. That's it. So it's Wantley, just select that, highlight it, click on it. We don't need a street, so accept destination, start guidance.
Please turn right in 200 yards onto 8675.
So that's it.